Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to be a Zoom host. So basically you just need to do a few steps to be a Zoom meeting host, and that will allow you to manage the meeting as you want it to be managed. So first you just need to be signed in, and then you will go to there is two options that you can create a meeting by yourself. So the host is the one who created the meeting on Zoom. There's two options: a new meeting. You can click on the icon or schedule one. So let's schedule one. Here you can put the informations. You can select you can choose or type the event name and select the time from two. And there are also too many options here. Once you choose and you fill the blanks, you will go all the way down to save, and then you will copy that link and send it to the attendees, or you will copy it to clipboard for to send that link later to the attendees. All right, and the quick option is to click on new meeting and then click start. All right, so you will copy the invite link from here, and then you will send the link to the attendees, and then they will come to into your meeting, and that's it. That's how to be a Zoom host, and I guess that's the end of the video, and thank you so much for watching. See you next video.